I was going to... Actually, when I sent out that notification on Discord, I felt better than I do right now. I actually said it to Fishy because I was feeling so bad I had to lay down because I was afraid of passing out like 40 minutes ago, and I was like, shit. But I rested a little bit and I feel okay right now. But I know that I get worse, well, at least from experience yesterday. I got worse and worse as the day progressed. So I was like, if I'm going to do this today, I need to do it now. So, but it's just a vaccine. Like, I knew there was a chance I would get sick. It's not like it's a surprise or anything. And by the way, guys, this is a big box. I'm just saying. I'm not gonna show the top because it's that person's real. I don't know who sent this because I haven't opened. I hope there's a letter with them saying their nickname because I know their real name, but I'm obviously not sharing that. So it will be interesting to see if that person shared their nickname, so it's easier for me to know who it's from. And it's like, I know how much it means to me getting these things in my PO box. And when people, this was a pricey box. If I can't, words are hard today. I feel like 100 degrees. If the amount that this person put on here, I was lucky to not get taxed. I'm not gonna lie. I was lucky to not get taxed on this one because there's a limit amount. It's $100 and below. If it's valued over that, I usually get taxed. I was just lucky to not get taxed. Usually people kind of lie a little bit about how much it's worth. But this one was above that, so I'm a little like nervous to open, and I know how much it means when they send stuff like that, so I can't open it unless I film it because, you know, I want to show people how much it means to me to get stuff like this. So I can feel myself fastly getting worse. So I think we gotta... are you guys ready? Yes, I can. Oh my god, right away, I see a Pokemon. I see a Pokemon right away. Get it! Look at it! I got a Jigglypuff! Jigglypuff, look, it matches my ears. Ah, that is so cute. Pikachu, you got another friend. Oh, they're still doing the nasty down there. I'll leave them to it. Ah, that is so cute. Ah, that was the first thing I saw. I didn't even open it properly. Name it? Name it. It doesn't stink, so it's not a stinkily puff. I don't know. What shall we name this little cutie cute? Cutie Puff? Maybe I'll call you Cutie Puff. You are a little cutie puff. Nyan. Aw, that's so precious. Oh my god. If you're in my Discord, you see what those two are doing. They be doing the crazy stuff down there. Pikachu and Stinkachu are like goated friends. Not gonna lie. Okay, I see a letter. Good, with a heart on it. That's good. I'm not sure if I can read everything out loud, but... This is someone from YouTube. I'm not sure if this person is on Twitch, but... Yeah, is this Gossarok? Gossarok. I don't see Gossarok in here right now, but I will make sure to make this into a YouTube video at some point. We were chilling to Zelda on my Gossarok account. Hope all is well. I love your work. I make music and I really appreciate your creativity. Not much else to say except big hugs, and I hope you have fun with your box and tools. Truly yours. Aww. So this is some Gazarock. We know Gazarock in here. I mean, it's one of our Twitch family members. We got Cutie Puff from Gazarock. There's a lot in this. All I'm gonna say is Datte Bayo. This had to be in here. You know what's up. You know what's up. I mean, you can't send something to a Naruto fan without including ramen, right? So now I got a whole box of ramen from Singapore, which you already saw, a lot of you, in my other unboxing video. And now I got some ramen from, I think it's US. I still owe you guys, owe you guys a video of me eating ramen with chopsticks. I am aware. I haven't forgotten, it's just... I had to clean up my office for weeks after the last time, you guys. I'm pretty sure there's still pieces of ramen in my roof after that time, so... Yeah, well... We'll see, we'll see. That's a whole lot of ramen, damn! It's Naruto drinks. It's green, so you can't see the color. Is Mr. Emo Boy up in here? It's totally green. Carbonated soft drink. Melon flamer with Mr. Emo Boy. So it is green, but you can't see it. And... Wait. The hell? Is this wash soap or a drink? Oh, it's a drink. This looks like the stuff I wash my clothes with. So no washing clothes with this. No. I'm sure it would smell awesome, though. Strawberry. We ain't got this shit in Norway. Ooh, that looks fabulous. Looks fabulous. Now we got some lemon drink and some strawberry drink. This is... I've never tried this. Should I do a tasting video of this, you guys? Let me know. Let me know if I should do a tasting video of this. Because I don't think I can do it right now. Because I might get even... I'm not feeling great to do that right now. But let me know. Ugh. There is a lot in here, you guys. Oh, it's incense. Fancy. Wait. How do these work? Ooh, wait. Huh? Ooh. So... Oh. So, okay. Wait, like... Oh, well... Oh, okay. It's... What is you? Do you smell funky? I don't smell anything. I think there's some smelly thing in here that I'm supposed to, like, put in here, and then it's supposed to smell lovely. But I don't get it. There's nothing... Oh, it's green. But there's no scented thingy. Did someone fall out? Wait. What's that? I did smirch. I just didn't see this because this fell out. Yeah. This was supposed to be in here because I was like, Nani? Wait, and oh, this smells awesome. I feel a little nauseous because I'm sick right now, but if I wasn't sick, this would smell awesome. Makes me a little sick right now, but it smells awesome. It has a really low scent because I don't like things that smell a lot because that makes me nauseous, but this, well, everything makes me nauseous right now, but that's fancy. Arale. Okay. Oh, there's another thingy. What's with these fancy, like, glass bottles? This is, well, it's very green, so obviously you can't see it, but... Carbonated ramen drink? Ramune. Oh. Because drinking ramen doesn't really sound like a treat. What does that taste like? Small children? Oh, ew, no. Should not open with small children. Oh, thank God, I thought you said it tasted small children. I have no need to check out that. Okay. Fancy. Alright. We got one emo boy drink and one small children drink. Whatever that is. The talking lazy egg. Oh, okay. I've always wanted one of those. Talking eggs with bacon on them. Yeah. That's fabulous. Kits includes a one-of-a-kind talking figure with retractable bacon blanket and a mini sticker book. The amount of creativity, like I mean, some person out there made Bananja, so that's fabulous. That's fucking terrifying. Oh God. I ain't putting that in my bedroom, alright? Y'all wanna see? Oh God, so this thing starts to talk, huh? Okay. That's not gonna give anyone nightmares, right? So this thing starts to talk, apparently. What did you say?
Okay.
You one scary little egg, you know that, right? Can you not? He doesn't want me to pull off his blanket! Okay, you're a weird little fucker. You're gonna fit right in here. You got a little book with stickers. Ah, there's little egg stickers. You're staying in my office. I'm pulling off your blanket. Ah, that is so cute. Disturbing, but cute. I'd like it. Like, finally, goal of a lifetime, right? Talking egg. Who in this world has not wished for a talking egg, right? Like, everyone wanted that at some point. I love it. Hi, doggo. Hey, doggo. Come on. We're doing an unboxing, baby. Like, you want to say hi? This is my dog, Yoshi. Hello. I'm kind of doing something. We're kind of like interrupting, though. Like, I was busy. Thank you. He has a beardy face, but it's a baby. He's a baby. Alright, okay. Let me see. I like these maybe a little too much. The last one who sent me like a big box with stuff from Singapore sent me some Pockies, and I swear to God, that's like Yum yum. What's that? Macadamia. Ooh. It's like chocolate with macadamia nuts. Oh, that's gotta be yum. That looks tasty. That looks tasty. I kind of want to taste all this shit right now, but like, I will get so sick. Oh my god, that looks so tasty. He sent two. Ha. I'm gonna get so fat. Ooh, fancy. What are you? You look fancy. How do I open you? That looks so fancy. It's squishy. It's squishy. What is it? What is it? It looks fancy and squishy. White peach mochi. I've never tasted it in my life. Okay. This will be interesting. Yeah, it's white peach mochi. If you can see the text, there's a little text there, but yeah. I will definitely have to do like a video tasting all of this stuff when I feel a little bit better. Because the problem is gonna be waiting that long because I'm so curious, but like, Jesus. Ooh, what's that? Ah, my neighbor turtle! Look! That is so cute! Self-writing doll. Oh my god! Does this thing talk too? Choking hazard. Excuse me? A girl knows how to swallow, but I'm not trying to swallow that thing whole, you nasty... Seriously? You really need a hazard of that? Who the hell tries to choke that thing? What are you gonna do? Choke on his ear? I don't know. That's how you know it's from the US. Like, they even have to put hazards on that. Aww! Look at that! It's so cute. It's so cute. I got some new buddies. They're so cute. They're so cute. There's still more stuff in here. What's that? Rice cracker. Something. Okay. I like it when they send stuff I've never tasted. Like, as you can see, this part is green. I like it when they send stuff that I have never seen before, because doing tasting videos later when you have like my reaction tasting these stuff. I mean, we all remember, to all the new people, if you go to my YouTube channel and you look at my tasting videos of Japanese candies, I tasted something that was, let's just say I wouldn't buy it again. And I made Hobby taste it and he didn't like that. And my reaction was quite funny, I'm not gonna lie. And well, maybe this is good. It looks interesting. It's even more fun. No, no, no! I knew that was gonna happen. I knew that was gonna happen. Are you okay? Are you okay? I wrapped you in again, so you're okay. Okay. Gomenasai. Gomenasai. Now you behave. You behave. On the floor. Now you behave on the floor. Alright. Well, this looks normal. And glitchy. For some reason, well, it's probably because there's similar, like, colors. The yellow also goes away in the green screen. Salted egg yolk flavor. He would be horrified.
Can you not?
Yeah, can you not? Like, can you not eat me? Okay, I said it looked normal, but this is like chips, salted egg yolk. So the plum of the egg? Maybe not so normal after all, maybe not. Will be interesting to taste all of this. Damn. Okay. We're getting to the finish line. Now there's a few more things. Jesus, so much. I love this. It is so cool. Look at that. What is it? It's potato chips. Potato chips, obviously, but pink salt flavor. Okay, what does pink salt taste like? Calories. Well, that's not gonna be a sunny day, is it? Hella cute, though. Hella cute little thing. Oh no, it's bananja. Kind of looks like some of them. Alright. What the hell? Well, that's green, obviously. He's very green, but like... yeah. Oh my god, you guys see what it says? No, you can't. It says kawaii cookies. It literally says kawaii cookies. It says kawaii cookies. My life is now complete. So, we don't only have Num Num cookies, now we have kawaii cookies. I love that. I love that. I didn't know, but I needed that in my life. I needed that in my life. That is so cool. That is so cool. One last thing. One last thing. I think this has molded. I don't think this is edible anymore. I don't think this person I don't think this is supposed to be green with hairs on it. So this might be a part of the issue. This is supposed to be a red bean cake. Let's just say it ain't a red bean cake no more. I am sure this would have been lovely, but shipping something from US to Norway takes months, so yeah. I'm gonna pass on this one. I'm gonna pass on this one. But it's a shame. I would have loved to taste a red bean cake that's actually red and not green with hairs on it. So, yeah. I'm gonna drop that one. Probably, yeah. Jesus Christ, that's a lot. Like, what do you say? What do you say, little dude? What do you say? Right? Right? So, he said it. I did not. I need some Pepsi Max now. Leave me alone. I love this. Way more than I thought I would. You're the goat. This is Ego. We respect Ego in this house.
Don't care.
Yeah, he doesn't care, but we love Ego. I love you. I love you and your little bacon. You're cute. You're gonna give me nightmares, but you're cute. Do you got a sticker book? No, you don't, but Ego does. So, I'm a little overwhelmed, like the amount of things in this. I mean, Jesus Christ. Jesus. I'm just so thankful, like, I feel bad for that green ass pink cookie. Or the red cookie that, like, yeah, it ain't red no more. But other than that, everything is just, I'm so curious, and especially about this green, well, not so green emo boy water here. I'm so curious. So curious. I can't stop with this. Can you not? The attitude of this goddamn egg. The attitude of this egg. Can you stop? Like, can you not? God, I love this egg. I love it. And I'm just so honored. I'm so honored that someone would not only like pay. It cost a lot to send all this stuff here. It is crazy what this person paid to get this here, but that they took the time to, like, I mean, everything from this talking damn egg to, like, Mr. Cutie Puff and all these candies and Totaro's friend and it's just, I'm mind blown. And yeah, I'm gonna take my bunch of amazing stuff that I got and I'm gonna let this sink in. I'll probably cry a little bit because I usually do when I get sent stuff. I sit and I reflect on how lucky I am and then I cry a little bit. I freaking love your face. 大好き皆さん